What's up, Food Jacks? I just want to thank everybody for signing up to becoming members of the channel. It's really cool. It's going to be fun on Saturday mornings to have a private one-on-one chat with you. You get to tune in. You also get to see Burger Wars a week before everybody else does. So you get advanced screenings, and you also get behind-the-scenes footage. That's going to be coming after Burger Wars. So that'll be cool. I think I'm going to do a live broadcast for members where I take you with me on a food review. So I'll do a live broadcast, we'll wait for the food, we'll take a look at it, and you get to see how I put together one of those videos too. So that ought to be fun. But in the meantime, come on in close. We're going to be checking out the salt cone for roasting poultry. You guys ready? Here's what I know about this device. You have to heat it up before you put it in the chicken. It's kind of like beer can chicken. You cram it up the middle of the bird. So once you heat this up and then cram it up the bird, it cooks from the inside out and the outside in, and it cooks your bird even faster. Plus it has Himalayan rock salt, obviously. That's what it's made out of. It's called a salt cone for roasting poultry. Now, I really don't like the aspect that I got to heat this up first, slowly. You can't go straight to like 450 degrees. You have to gradually increase the heat. That sounds like a lot of work before you even cook the chicken. But we're going to try it out because some of you may want this device or like this device. And I will let you know if the flavor, we're doing it in our oven today, but you can do this on a smoker. You can do this on any one of your barbecues. You just got to warm up this device first, okay? I'm going to read the directions, and then we're going to pop our chicken in the oven with this device and see if it works. Wow, I really hate starting off this way, but this looks nothing like the picture on the front. It doesn't even look pink. It looks more white than pink. Okay, so here's the metal thing that the salt rock goes on, and this is supposed to somehow, I don't know how, it's supposed to attach. I think it came undone. I think it broke because there's no direction on how to attach this little device. I think I'm going to have Tammy or somebody glue this down, and then we can use it. I have no idea. So I'm guessing if you look carefully, you'll see there's two kind of like glue spots right there and there, but there's no way to hook this onto there. So I'm figuring this broke in the box. It just came off. It was like this, and it just came off. All right, so I found some super glue and I glued this down. So now we have a stand that we can put the salt on. Let's try and put it on right now. There we go. So I'm going to slowly heat this up. It's a little crooked. Sorry. But it seems to be... Whoop. It didn't break. Oh, it's all the way on now. I guess that's a little wobbly. Anyway, I'm going to heat this up now, and then we'll put the chicken on top of it and see how it works. So let's get this thing seasoned while the salt cone is heating up in the oven, okay? I like to do the bottom first. Let me go wash my hands so I don't cross-contaminate the seasoning. So we're not going to put too much seasoning on this. We're putting two types of seasoning so that we can still taste whether the salt made it through into the chicken meat. We want to taste the Himalayan pink salt, okay? So we're just doing garlic. No salt to be applied, so we can definitely tell whether this salt cone works or not. And we're going to do pepper. Okay, guys, so twice I had the chicken on this salt cone. The oven's a mess. Twice I had the chicken on the salt cone, took it to the oven, and the chicken fell over. It fell off the salt cone twice. The salt cone came off the metal dish that held it in place. It was a complete disaster. The chicken rolled off the tray. What a mess. So I'm going to deem this as a failure. I tried twice putting the cone back on, putting the chicken on. I had it right on. I carried it over to the stove, and it's real wobbly. It's a mess. You're better So I don't recommend this product, but you're better to get the salt blocks that you can spatchcock your chicken and lay it on there. I'm going to buy one right now, and I'm going to show you, see if that works, all right? I just want to say one more comment. One of the worst things that I had to do was warm this up, because I warmed it up to 250, I warmed it up to 350, I warmed it up to 400, and I put it out here, and you can't touch it now. It's burning hot. You're trying to set your chicken on it. You can't hold the plate. You can't hold the salt cone. You can't hold anything to get it placed inside the chicken. So you have to perfectly set the chicken on top of it. It was a disaster from the minute go. So I'm throwing this out and cleaning up. But I just wanted to give you that information. I don't recommend the salt cone, but I will let you know about that when that salt block arrives, okay?